So you've just purchased some potent custom tunes for your vehicle from us here at Stage 3, but before you can load this performance modification onto your vehicle's computer and test out your newfound performance, you need to get them onto your SCT device through your personal computer. Here's a quick rundown on this process. You will get your SCT device from us without your custom tunes loaded. After you send us your vehicle's info, we will email you a link to download your tunes. You should see all of your new tunes here in this online folder. Download them to your computer to start. You can drag them from the Downloads folder to anywhere you want to store them on your PC. We chose the desktop for convenience of the video. Now connect your SCT tuner to the computer via the cable provided by SCT. The SCT device updater software is what you will use to load the tunes. In the opening window, begin by clicking the first option labeled Automatically Check for Updates. This will update your tuning device if need be. After that process is completed, click the second option called Load Custom Tune File. You can then click Locate Custom Tunes for the system to automatically scan your PC for the tune files. Then select the tunes from the list. After they are in the Available Tunes box, highlight them and move them on over to the On Device section. Then click Program. The software will then copy them to the tuner so you can load them onto your vehicle through its OBD2 port. For more videos like this, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also check us out on Facebook and Instagram for more awesome content on the daily.